Hello to everyone whoever tuned in this session of the virtual 2020 IEEE PS General Meeting. I, Subrat Mukhopadhyay, Chair, Asia and Australasia Electricity Infrastructure Working Group of International Practices Subcommittee or IPSC, welcome you all to our panel session of the day as sponsored by the Energy Development and Power Generation or ADPG Committee of IEEE PS, Power and Energy Society. It is EDPGPL 16, that session number, on Asian and Australasian Innovative Contribution to Smart Grid Technology Session 1, Wednesday, August 5, 2020, from 8 a.m. onward. The session is chaired by Professor Mikhail Nagnetvisky, current chair of IPSC, with me, Subrat Mukhopadhyay, as co-chair. There are altogether 8 presentations. They are namely, as we see, 20 PSGM 3579 resiliency analysis in networked microgrids considering distribution energy resources by Paras Mandal and Eric Galva. There are Power and Renewable Energy Systems Lab, EC Department, University of Texas, El Paso, Texas, USA. Followed by 3580 Australian Experience with Overhead Transmission Conductor Condition Assessment by Tapan Shah, Lakshita, Naran, Manave, and Hui Ma. First two will be presenting School of Information Technology and Electrical University of Engineering Department, University of Queensland, Australia, and 3581 Development of Energy Test Lab at the University of Queensland by Tapan Shah and Rui Feng Yan, Wes Toshar, Chandima Eknaike, and Ryan Ko, School of Information Technology and Electrical Engineering, University of Queensland, Australia. Here Tapan Shah will be presenting. The next one is 20 PSGM 3582 Power Systems in Bangladesh, Generation, Transmission, Distribution and Renewable Aspects by Ahmed Wais. Saber is from ITAP, California, USA. Muhammad Manor, Jahid Khan and Muhammad Eliasinul Islam, Bangladesh Power Development Board, Dhaka, Bangladesh. All three will be presenting. Then 3583 Long-Term Planning for Indian Power Sector with Integration of Renewable Energy Sources by Subrat Mukhopadhyay, myself, Netaji Subhas University of Technology, New Delhi, India, Pankaj Batra, Sandesh Sharma, Praveen Gupta, Brijesh Arya, Ashok Rajput, Vijay Megnani, all are from Central Electricity Authority, India. They are Government of an India organization. Then 20 PSGM 3585 Distributed Generation by Fuel Cells and Microgrid Case Studies by Ajay Das from AECOM USA. He is the lone author and the presenter. 3586 Smart Rural Distribution System Case Study of Indian Village by Shekhar Chakravarti, Suresh Srivastav, Ankush Sharma. They are from Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur, India. Shekhar Chakravarti will be presenting. Then 3587, the last presentation, Experience of Market Linked Imbalance Pricing in India by Sushil Shoni, KVS Baba, SR Narsimhan, SS Varapanda, Devashish De, Shamish C. Saxena, KV and Pawan Kumar. They are from POSOCO, India, New Delhi itself actually, and myself from NSCT, India. We are really happy to note and acknowledge the time and effort of the speakers who participated, and it is really worth appreciation. All presentations in this session will play inside the media player automatically for easy watching with the flexibility of minimizing and maximizing by the attendees. They have not to do separately, make any sort of effort. It is hoped that those attending will enjoy the pre-recorded session as well. If looking for any specific presentation, again, indexing will allow you to start the presentation once you wish to see it. Last but not the least, for questions and answers, chat widget, please feel free to use designated facilities referring to the presentation number. Till August 28, 2020, this will be alive and response will be there. Now we start with the presentations one by one sequentially for all the 8 numbers.